seen ads for bluesea.com and wondering if it's the real deal? They've got trendy gadgets, home stuff, and crazy discounts. But is it actually safe to shop there or just another sketchy online store? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. At first glance, bluesea.com looks like a typical e-commerce site. Decent layout, lots of sales, and popular products. But when you dig a little deeper, things get shaky. According to Scam Advisor, the site has a very low trust score, and Trustpilot reviews don't help either. Complaints include late or missing orders, no customer support, and poor product quality. Some even say they never got their items at all. So, is bluesea.com legit? Yes, it technically exists, but with all the negative reviews and trust issues, it's hard to recommend. If you value your time and money, maybe stick to more reliable sites. Tried shopping on bluesea.com? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on viral stores and online deals.